It's Tyrone.
It's Tyrone.
Go check out my channel. It's Spellerman56. I actually got a YouTube video on it.
Link in the description to her YouTube channel. She has one video and actually has like 100 views.
And then we appointed this guy.
Oh, sorry if it's like the light's flickering because my light up here is going to like go out and
It's supposed to last 30 years.
And so today we're doing an unboxing.
And I don't know what it is, and
it's gonna.
it was at least $40.
Yeah, it was. I bought it for $45. Taryn doesn't know what it is, and I just thought it would be funny just to see her reaction on what I bought. Taryn, you ready?
Yes.
Open your eyes. 3, 2, 1. I got 50 iPod cases.
You are so stupid.
But look at them.
She got 50 iPod cases. You are so stupid. Why did you do that?
Because I can.
Can I use some of them?
It depends on if I don't like any of them. Oh, I got an OtterBox. Ooh, a metallic. Look at this one.
Ooh, that's pretty.
All the cases. Oh my goodness.
Well, not all of them. There's all 48
Yeah.
of them.
Here's the ones that Taryn kept. She got this like OtterBox one and this little puppy because I had duplicates of these. So.
She gave them to me.
Yeah. This is all the trash. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Go check out my channel.
Yeah, go check out Taryn's channel. Spellerman56 or Spellerman56.
It's Spellerman.
Anyways, but
I think
look it up. It's link in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment. Wait, I just did that completely wrong. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.